Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. It's Friday night. I got to edit this and get this uploaded for you guys to watch tomorrow when it goes live. But anyway, continuing on with the drift car. So I have officially started it now. It does work. I still do that off camera because I just wanted to get it done. Fixed the water leak at the back. Silly me, didn't put a gasket on. I'll put up a picture. I'll put up a picture here if I remember. Yeah, so at the moment the oil filter is leaking. It doesn't use a normal Commodore one. The timing cover I use I got off the firing motor, which came off gun 38T, and he has changed, adapted to a different thread. So I'm guessing maybe I didn't screw it in enough or something, so it's leaking out the bottom. So I need to do an oil change anyway because the water got in there and this and that. So I'll do all that tomorrow, get that filter off, new one on. Apart from that, got the exhaust done. You guys probably won't be able to see. I did have twin blast pipes coming out here, which I'll throw a picture up, and I'll also insert a video at the end of it. That torch is dead. You probably can't see this. The blast pipes didn't quite fit, so I've just got a little bit dumped there at the moment. Let's have a look. What have we got in here? I got a little hidden switch up there for the wire pipe. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to start it up. It sounds very rattly because there's the exhaust somewhere there's like a loose part somewhere, so it's just rattling its head off, so ignore that. But anyway, I'm going to set the GoPro up and we'll get it started and you guys can hear it. So I flicked the switch for that electric cutout and that rattle went away, so I know it's to do with either that Y pipe or the rear part of the exhaust. So I'll sort that out another time. Don't mind the smoke, it's just burning off all the crap because it's that's probably the longest it's ran so far. But that sounds pretty damn good. That's nothing funky done with the tune either. That's just, I just changed the idle timing to 20 degrees static, and that's just all camshaft that you guys heard there. So sounds good. Be interesting to see how it drives. I've got no idea the wastegate spring that's in it. The box says it's 17 psi default, and it also comes with a 7 and a 14. But on their website it says 3.5, 5 and 7 psi springs. So who knows, I won't really know time there. If I see it start to go crazy high and boost, then I might have to try pull the gate off, which will suck. And yeah, change the spring. If it doesn't make that much boost, that's fine. I can deal with it for a night without that until I get a boost tee, unless I manage to find one quickly tomorrow, which I doubt. But yeah, so another quick look at the engine bay for you. This is also running the LS coil driver, in case people forgotten. I've got it, I've rewired and moved the DFI and everything, so it's tucked up under here so you won't see it. Also makes it easier for when I put the link ECU on this, I can just tap into the wires all there. I don't have to worry about the DFI wiring here, and the crank angle sensor wiring will already be all in the cabin for me just to wire into. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been up to. I've got a crap load of tyres I need to mount or load up and bring there, but hopefully all I need to do is just really bleed the cooling system, change the oil, change the filter. Hopefully it'll last. We'll see how long this motor lasts. Yeah, if not, I'm picking up an L67 bottom end hopefully this weekend. If this one goes, I'll just get that one. It's already assembled and running. Just slap the heads, cam in it, and everything else associated to do so. Yeah, be interesting to see though. I do want to get this onto a dyno. Be good to tune it on that, see what it makes. But for now, that'll do. I think hopefully I've made 10 minutes worth of footage. So sorry, another crappy talking one. Oh, that's another thing as well. I was meant to have a drag racing video out for Saturday, so what you guys video you're watching now is meant to be a drag racing one, but I got turned away in Ecotec. The weld in my seat mount snapped, so the rear left corner you could lift the seat up. So yeah, I got told to turn around and go home. So there was no footage for that. I basically just got back and kept on cracking on with this. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. As per always, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys hopefully next Saturday for a drifting video. We'll see how long this one's gonna be.